What's up, everyone? We're going to learn song number 3, and song number 3 is Yankee Doodle this week, so let's get to it. You're going to need to play on 3 strings for Yankee Doodle: the high E, the B, and the G string. Alright. Also, at the end of the video, if you are someone who wants an extra challenge, then the extra challenge is going to be learning to play some guitar chords in addition to learning the melody. Alright. I want you to try this week to use your ring finger, and if that doesn't work for you, at least try using your middle finger, because you need to start being able to play with more than just your index finger when you're moving around on the fretboard. Alright, so we start on the C note, which is the first fret of the B string. And we're going to go, actually what I'll do is I'll play it one time and then I'll tell you the names of the notes. So listen to Yankee Doodle one time. One, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, C, C, D, E, C, B, C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, G, A, B, C, C. Probably the most challenging part of this song is we're at the very end on the 7th bar. You play B open, then you play G, A, which is the 2nd fret on the G string, B open, and then C, it's a half note, C again, another half note. Okay, so B, G, A, B, C, C. Hey, as a quick reminder, when you're practicing a song, you have an option. You can, at the end of this video, practice along with the music. It's called a backing track, and it provides you a steady beat for one to actually practice playing. You want to be able to play with steady beat, right? Steady rhythm, and everything flowing. You don't have to. The other option is to look at the PDF version of the song that I'm posting and either print it out or just enlarge it on the screen and just go through it bar by bar until you can play all 8 bars together. Solid, flowing, nice and smooth. That's the goal. What I'd like as a challenge to offer is when you play a chord this week, the C chord is this. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to need your ring finger, your middle finger, and your first finger to play it. My ring finger is going to go on the A string, the 3rd fret. My middle finger is going to go on the D string on the 2nd fret. I'm going to skip over the G string, and then I'm going to take my first finger and I'm going to push it on the 1st fret of the B string. So I'm going to play each note separately. I'm not going to play this low E note at all. I'm going to avoid it. And when I strum it, I'm showing you up high. I'm going to strum from the 5 all the way down to the first string. So, except I'm going to strum it over the sound hole, and it would sound like this. And that's how to play the C chord. So notice my thumb is kind of wrapped around the neck to help support. You can also put your thumb behind the neck for support, but you got to push down firmly on each of these 3 frets. And yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge because your fingers have to be trained to stretch a little bit. So try it out and see if you're able to make a chord.